Fran and I have come across probably the best anchorage imaginable. Holy shit! The real iconic area of the Kimberley. Fire started. Yes, Fran! Hey guys, welcome back to another episode, getting back to basics. Now we are coming to you from one of the most special parts of Australia, and Fran and I have come across probably the best anchorage imaginable. So check this out, behind me here, there's this waterfall into this beautiful swimming hole. That's great water to drink. We camped there last night. And then you look out the other side and that's the salty dingo down there in this private little saltwater marina. It's just the best anchorage ever. So as the tide drops out, it just leaves this swimming pool for the salty dingo to float around in all safely. And up over these rocks, there's a swimming pool for us that's safe from the crocodiles and beautiful drinking water. So this is just an incredible spot. We've been catching fish straight off the waterfall down here this morning. And we're just soaking it all in. We're obviously stuck here for a few hours now that the boat's landlocked. But it's not a bad place to be stuck. We're gonna go for a swim and of course take you guys along for the ride. I hope you enjoy the episode. Clear. Dive in, you're right. What a perfect camp spot. There's a lizard that thinks he's a crocodile sunning himself there. How clear is it, Fran? Awesome. Oh.
Oh, you got something?
There's a big jack next to it.
Oh, really? Alright, try to film it. Oh. Why?
How's that? Just pulled up here. Gonna have a bit of a feed and a bit of a fish, and then we are gonna head downstream out of this river and head further afield after lunch. Evening, Francesca.
It's not evening.
What have we got for lunch today?
Leftovers,
Yeah.
mackerel, and onions cooked in the aluminium foil last night with soy sauce.
Pumpkins.
Oh yeah, what did you say?
Onions.
Yeah, pumpkin with soy sauce.
Yum.
Just to clarify that.
Thanks for clarifying. Here we go, this is a very likely looking rock bar here. The tide's just started to come in and all the mullet and bait are pushing in. There should be some bigger predatory fish waiting for a lost little prawn to try and flick out. Oh, look at them there.
So cute. There's three, there's another
Three jack,
one.
four jacks.
Let that one go.
His mate there?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, the whole family of jacks. See that bigger one. Oh, we're on fire with this little prawn. Cool, eh? He's a really nice one. Hey! That's a nice one, eh?
Yeah. Just gonna go over this just quickly.
A nice mangrove jack. Could be a good one for the grill, Fran.
Is that not a jack?
Oh, shark chasing it. Hey, get away from it.
No,
Get away from it.
no.
See that shark?
Yeah.
Jack are on. That was just drifting down. I didn't even get a chance to flick it. See it, mate? Oh,
What is it?
you want to drive me out this way?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Holy shit. Just when it hit it, I saw this huge silver flash. I've got no idea what it is, but it's a hell of a lot bigger than the jacks we've been catching. Oh, it's a diamond trevally, I think. Oh, look at this. Oh, cool. Look at his dorsal fin. Oh yes. How cool is that? Man, I love these fish. Diamond trevally. Oh wow. Look at that long dorsal on him. Oh, I spat the hooks. Ready?
It's crazy.
I'll let him go, eh? 1, 2, 3. How's that dorsal thing? So cool. Oh, we're having an awesome session. This is pretty cool to have a waterfall coming straight down onto the beach like this.
So nice, huh?
Yeah. Can you get the dingo down there?
Not from here.
We won't have time to camp here this time, but it's definitely going to save it for next time we come through, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, it's getting late in the day now and we're pretty desperate for a camp. This one here looks like our best option. We've got that white sandy beach. Out there is quite rough. It's a bit deceiving at the moment, but it's quite windy and there's strong current, so we've managed to come like inside this bay and find this little sandy beach. So just having a look as we go in to see if it's a safe anchorage, but we'll probably look at pulling the boat just in here on the sand, unload and camp here for the night before heading elsewhere tomorrow. No croc slides. It does look a bit crocky in amongst that. You happy?
Kind of.
Alright, Superwoman's got fire started. Well done, Fran. Swag set up there. Salty dingo is hopefully safe here. Oh, this is awesome. For dinner, we're going to do
My favourite.
Fran's favourite, battered fish and chips. These are basically the ingredients we're working with. Great Northern, white marlin, the best beer batter getting around. Potatoes and a mangrove jack. Fish and chips, beer battered. Where this area is situated, it's probably the most furthest away point from where I'm situated on the east coast. It's like the direct other side of Australia, the other side of the country. But I'm just so fortunate that we've finally made the time to get up here, and it just lives up to everything I hoped it would be. Like, the fishing was amazing. The anchorages like this and where we stayed last night are just surreal, with waterfalls coming into like pristine, unspoilt waterways. The currents are gnarly, which is amazing. You know, to see that power of water, but it's just scary at the same time. Yeah, it's everything I'd hoped it was going to be and more, but the real iconic area of the Kimberley that I guess drew me to this area years and years ago, it's a special spot, and I'm hoping to get there in the next couple of days. But for now, we've got enough to worry about. I'm cooking, you know, dinner, and I'm just gonna try and focus on keeping the salty dingo afloat for the next couple of days, and hopefully we can get there. Fran loves beer batter, so we're gonna do beer battered fish and chips. And that beer has been sitting in the bottom of the bilge, staring me in the eye every time I go and tend to the bilge. And I have held back all temptations of drinking it. So I hope this beer batter turns out nicely. There we go. Mangrove jack filleted and ready for the pan. Those of you that watched a couple of episodes ago would know that we had a thief through the camp the other night. The thief was what we believe is a possum, and he came in and stole Fran's black bikini, but we've just realised not only did he steal Fran's bikini, but he also stole our favourite tea towel. Tea towels are obviously pretty hard to come by out here, and this cheeky little bugger has run away with Fran's bikini and a tea towel. Please let us know in the comments what you think it is. Fran, have you got any words for the culprit that's stolen your beloved bikini?
Make a good use of my bikini.
You heard it here first, you thieving possum. Make a good use of Fran's bikini.
What's the recipe there, yeah?
So, boiled potatoes, mash them up, sort of between mashing and chopping. Put them in the pot, and then on top of the fire.
Did you put through the potatoes? Apart from all the seasoning stuff?
I can't remember. What did I put in it? Oh, yes! Arguably one of the most important of the two ingredients, the beer batter. Just pour it on top. It's all going to the same place eventually. So, mashed chopped potato, beer batter. Yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Look at that. Just tackle it head on. Now it needs a bit of salt and pepper. Chips and fish. Well done, Fran.
You don't want to toast your masterpiece?
Toast mine. It actually tastes better than it looks, believe it or not.
It looks good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, definitely.
Awesome. So there's this crocodile right out the front of our camp. Fran spotted. Oh, that sounded a lot like you've covered at it. Just when we started walking down the beach, he just came up and assumed position in ambush mode right on the shoreline. Wonder what he was doing when I was anchoring the boat. He would have been watching for sure. Alright guys, we're going to get into the food, so we'll see you bright and early in the morning. Say good night, Fran.
Nope.
Nope.
Good night, thanks for watching. Don't put that on here. Yeah?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.